Good morning, sir. Before we begin to present our topic, I will introduce first my name. My name is Rizame Segay, the BS in Fisheries student. The Philippines, an anthropology of breathtaking beauty, is on the front line of climate change. Its unique geography and vibrant ecosystem make it particularly variable to the escalating impact of a warming planet. Climate change is driven by the increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, largely due to human activities. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and industry processes release these gases, trapping heat and causing global warming. The Philippines, despite its relatively low carbon emission, is disproportionately affected by the consequence. Philippines faces a multitude of environmental challenges: pollution from industry waste and plastic, decreased contaminants our waterways and ocean, harming marine life and human health, deforestation and unsustainable land use practice contribute to soil erosion, flooding, and loss of biodiversity. Our coral reefs, vital to marine ecosystem, are suffering from coral bleaching due to rising ocean temperature. Responsible human action exacerbate this problem. Illegal logging destroys forests, infecting biodiversity and increasing vulnerability to natural disaster. Overfishing despite fish stock, threatening food security and livelihood. Improper waste management leads to pollution and health hazards. A lack of awareness and irresponsible behavior further compound the issue. While challenges remain, there is growing recognition of the need for collective action. Government initiative and community-led projects are working to address the issue, raising awareness, promoting sustainable practice. Advocating for stronger environmental policies are crucial steps in mitigating the impact of climate change and building a more resilient future for the Philippines. The fight for the healthier environmental required the commitment of every Filipino. Last but not the least, let's work together to protect our environment and build a sustainable future for the Philippines.